The courtroom hums with anticipation. Papers shuffle. Murmurs echo against polished wood. At the prosecution's table, a smug attorney leans forward, smirking. His voice cuts through the silence. "You don't belong here." He sneers at the woman standing across from him. "You're out of your depth. This court needs professionals, not amateurs." Some in the gallery chuckle. Others frown uncomfortably. But the woman doesn't flinch, doesn't stammer. She just stares at him, calm, steady, unshaken, because she knows something that will leave him speechless in moments. Morning sunlight pours through tall windows, illuminating the county courthouse. Dust motes float in the air like fragments of history. At the center of it all stands Alicia Monroe, mid-30s, poised and deliberate. She wears a simple navy dress suit, not flashy, not expensive, but her presence commands attention. Opposite her sits Prosecutor Daniel Reeves, late 40s, slick hair, sharp suit, known for his arrogance. He thrives on belittling others, especially those he believes are beneath him. The gallery is filled with lawyers, interns, and curious onlookers. A few whisper as Daniel smirks at Alicia. Never seen her before. She looks nervous. He'll eat her alive. But Alicia doesn't look nervous. She looks prepared. The judge calls the case. Reeves rises smoothly, his voice dripping with confidence. "Your Honor," he says, "I don't see the point in wasting this court's time with someone so inexperienced. My opponent," he gestures dismissively toward Alicia, "clearly doesn't belong here. Frankly, it's insulting to this court to pit me against her." A ripple of laughter moves through the gallery. Alicia steps forward, calm, controlled. She doesn't raise her voice. "With all due respect, counselor, I came here prepared to argue law, not ego." Reeves chuckles, shaking his head. "Prepared? You probably found your argument on the internet last night. Let me give you some advice. Leave the lawyering to the real lawyers." The gallery gasps. Some whisper, "Did he just say that?" She's holding back. Alicia doesn't move, doesn't blink. Her silence unnerves Reeves more than he expects. He pushes harder. "Ladies like you," he says, his voice dripping with arrogance, "are better off watching from the sidelines. This is a man's game. You'll never keep up." The judge frowns, shifting in his seat. Even the bailiff raises an eyebrow. The disrespect is undeniable. But Alicia, still calm, still waiting, because she knows the moment of truth is near. Finally, Alicia takes a breath. She steps close to the bench, her voice even but carrying weight. "Your Honor, before we proceed, I think it's important that this court know exactly who I am." The room stills. Reeves smirks. "Please, enlighten us." Alicia reaches into her briefcase. She pulls out a leather folder. With measured calm, she opens it, revealing an official badge. The gallery gasps. Whispers explode. "Wait, what? No way. Is that?" She looks directly at Reeves. "My name is Alicia Monroe. As of this week, I am the newly appointed district attorney of this county." The silence is deafening. Then, a single drop pen echoes like thunder. Reeves's smirk vanishes. His face drains of color. The judge leans forward, eyebrows raised. "The new DA?" Alicia nods, her voice firm. "Yes, Your Honor. And today, I came not only to oversee this case, but to observe the conduct of those sworn to uphold the law. What I witnessed from Mr. Reeves is not advocacy. It's arrogance, disrespect, and prejudice." All eyes snap to Reeves. His lips move, but no words come out. The gallery erupts into whispers. He insulted the new DA? He's finished. She let him walk right into it. The judge slams his gavel. Order, but the damage is done. The power in the room has shifted entirely. Reeves is no longer the confident predator. He's the one on trial. The judge turns to Reeves, his expression hard. "Mr. Reeves, your conduct in this courtroom is unacceptable. To belittle an officer of the court, much less the newly sworn district attorney, is beneath your position. You will answer for this." Reeves lowers his head. His arrogance, his swagger, all gone. Alicia closes her folder and steps back. She doesn't gloat. She doesn't need to. The silence around her says it all. When the gavel strikes again, everyone knows. The courtroom belongs to her now. Arrogance blinds. Prejudice weakens. Respect is the foundation of justice. This prosecutor thought he could belittle a woman he assumed was powerless. But power doesn't always wear a loud suit or a smug smile. Sometimes it stands quietly, waiting for the perfect moment to reveal itself. Never underestimate anyone, because the person you dismiss today may hold the key to your future tomorrow. If the story inspired you, share it. And don't forget, subscribe for more powerful stories where dignity and justice always prevail.